Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file your weekly unemployment claim online in Pennsylvania. First, navigate to the official PA Unemployment Compensation website. You'll need your Keystone ID and password to log in. Remember, a week for unemployment purposes runs from Sunday to Saturday, and you must certify for each week you are unemployed to receive benefits. When filing your weekly claim, accurately report any earnings from work, even if you haven't received payment yet. You also need to disclose any holiday or vacation pay for that specific week. Crucially, you must confirm that you were both able to work and available for suitable employment during the entire claim week to maintain your eligibility. Many people wonder about working part-time. You can still qualify for partial benefits if your hours are reduced. Be aware that refusing a suitable job offer without good cause may impact your eligibility. If you miss filing for 2 weeks, your claim might become inactive, requiring you to reopen it before you can continue certifying for benefits. After submitting your weekly claim, always review the confirmation page and any emails for accuracy. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the UC Service Center is available by phone at 888-313-7284, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Remember to check the description for this number and other helpful resources, including a link to learn more about the new Kindle Paperwhite and other deals. Staying informed helps ensure your benefits are processed smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.